The way brands communicate has evolved, but consumers are harder to reach than ever. Modern customers crave fast, convenient, and personalized interactions with brands. And while the text channel continues to drive reach, speed, and engagement, today's customers increasingly expect richer, more interactive experiences. RCS for Business builds on that foundation with the branded, visual, and two-way conversations that are designed to capture attention at critical moments and turn that attention into action. RCS for Business represents the next evolution of mobile customer engagement. Powered by Google and brought to you by Klaviyo, RCS delivers messages directly into the native messaging app on both Android and iOS devices. With RCS for Business, you can display verified, trusted branding with your brand name and your logo. You can send richer media, including high-resolution images, videos, and GIFs, or GIFs, or whatever you want to call them. You can turn attention into action with swipeable product carousels. And you can drive seamless engagement using easy one-tap replies. RCS for Business takes mobile messaging to the next level. It combines the reach customers already expect with richer, more interactive brand experiences. Here are 3 ways it transforms your mobile strategy. But first, if you love hearing about RCS for Business, make sure to hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. All right, let's get back to it. The first advantage is trusted branding. Customers can see your company name, your logo, and a verification badge directly at the top of the messaging thread. This provides full safety and trust with authenticated sender information, which ensures your customers instantly know that communication is legitimate and they feel very confident engaging with your business. The second advantage is richer media. Rather than relying on plain text and URLs, RCS for Business allows you to embed clear link previews, descriptions, and high-resolution visuals. You can turn attention into action with carousels, allowing customers to scroll through a series of products seamlessly without ever leaving the messaging thread. The third advantage centers on guided interactivity. To shorten the path to conversation, RCS for Business features easy one-tap replies and suggested replies customized to your brand. Customers don't have to guess what to do next. Tailored, quick responses guide them toward a specific outcome, which creates a seamless shortcut to conversion. It's important to note that RCS for Business does render differently on iOS devices than on Android devices. There are some specific differences, including link previews, image sizing, and aspect ratios, and the formatting of buttons and quick actions. It's recommended always to preview your messages for both iOS and Android devices before you start sending. The text messaging channel allows you to centralize every type of customer interaction within a single trusted thread. If your brand relies on SMS and MMS today, RCS for Business builds on that foundation to elevate every single step of the customer journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.